All right, hello everyone, welcome. Today I am going to be going out to Uptown Charlotte, and I will be stopping at the Electrify America station that I posted a video of in Uptown Charlotte, North Carolina. So I'm going up to Uptown Charlotte this afternoon. Today is January the 2nd. So before I start, if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you to all my subscribers, to all my new subscribers. Check out my videos, my road trip videos, charging session videos, EV6 accessories, unboxing and installation videos and reviews. Check out electric motorcycle videos that I made as well. So if you have any question, feel free to ask the question, and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. Also, thanks to your comments, everybody. I really appreciate your comment and also your suggestion and recommendation and stuff. So thank you for watching. So let's get before I get on the road. So what I'm going to currently have 46% state of charge, and estimated range of 101 miles. Not 111 miles. Sorry, 111 miles. And let's see here. So I will go to let's see here, Electrify America. I remember a few days ago when I did when I was trying to go to the one in Concord Mills, I couldn't get Kia didn't update it, or maybe this is server didn't update that yet. So but right now, as you can see, the one that I'm going to is our South King Drive in Charlotte is updated. So I'll give it maybe like 2 weeks or so, that should update as well. So that's where I'm gonna go. So let's see if the car will switch on the battery preconditioning, because it will take. Okay, so let's wait a couple of seconds or so if that's gonna come, because the trip is only going to take me 25.6 miles, and I'll get there at 2:54. So I will see if it should have come on by now. If not, I will get on the road and see if that will change. So that's not coming on yet. All right, so I will get on the road, and once that comes on, all right, welcome back. So I am in Uptown Charlotte right now. So let me now the battery precondition didn't come on. So what I'm gonna do is just go to where I need to go, is because I have to be there. So I'll just cancel the trip. It's only a few blocks away from the location. So what I'm gonna do is just come back when I'm done, and I will stop there because it is just down the street over there. And where I'm going is on the other side, opposite side of it. So what I'm just going to do is just go ahead and cancel the trip, and come back and set this up. Hopefully maybe that might work. We'll see, but I'll be back when I get to the charging station. All right, welcome back. So I am, let's see here. So I am about to go now. So let's see here. Let's go to the address, EV charging stations. So it is showing me, no, I don't need. So I have to go back again and look at the search. So it's just about less than a mile drive from where I am.
The route guidance will start now.
So let me go ahead and get on the road, and hopefully, let me see, maybe the battery precondition might come on. All right, so the battery preconditioning didn't come on. I guess I'll see how fast the charging speed is gonna be. I'll probably be getting maybe like a high of 74 kilowatt, then to go up as soon as the battery start warming up. So right now it is 4:15 p.m. here in Charlotte area. So but all right, I'll be back when I get to the charging station location.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto
Okay.
You have arrived at your destination. Your route guidance is finished.
All right, so let me go ahead and park. All right, welcome back. So I'm at the station right now, and I parked in front of stall number 4. So and right now I arrived with a 35% state of charge, an estimated range of 82 miles, and I've been doing an average of 3.0 miles per kilowatt hour. So right now this is the location, and this electricity use. So let me go ahead and get this all charged up. Turn the car off, open the charge port door, and it is open. Let's go out and do this. Let me go ahead and get the app open so that I won't have to wait that long. 3 available out of 4. 1 is in use. The Chevy Bolt is using the other one. So let me go ahead and open up this. All right, it's already plugged in. Let's go and open up the app, and let's see, this is number 4. Okay, so let me go ahead and swipe. All right, so it is working. All right, so let me go ahead and look inside the car and see what I will be pulling. Shows that the car is plugged in, and waiting for the car to respond. Come on. Okay, now I just heard that. All right, the car just started. It took a little bit longer. So it's gonna take 29 minutes to charge from 35% to 90%. And it is rising right now, and it will take 21 minutes to reach 80%. So I will record this and fast forward it when so that you guys won't have to watch the longer process. So all right, I'll be back for the update if anything changes. All right, so welcome back. So right now, as you can see, the charging speed went up to 111 and 100 and between 111 and 112 kilowatt. And that was after a few minutes of about maybe 5-6 minutes of staying at 72 kilowatt. So now there's reached 45 percent, and now it has gone up a little bit. So it's supposed to take me 29 minutes. Then it went to like 35 minutes. Then I guess it dropped down when the charging speed went up. So I have a lady that pulled up with an e-Golf. I believe she parked on the stall 1. That one didn't work, so she moved to stall 3. So, but yeah, right now it is charging at 112 kilowatt. Let's see. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but let's see. I think it started like a minute ago or so. I just say give it 2 minutes ago, and let's see how long that will stay at that charging speed rate, whether it's gonna increase. It looks like it's trying to increase a little bit, but between 112 and 113 kilowatt, and to take 14 minutes to charge to 80% and 22 minutes to 90%. So I'll be back if anything changes, if I get more charging speed. All right, welcome back. So now the charging speed went as high as 132 kilowatt. So, and the current state of charge is at 57%, and it kept on increasing. So right now it's 133 from 106, 107 kilowatt. So yeah, it is doing okay, but not as fast as I expect it to be. So and right now the state of charge is 58%. And yep. It's still trying to go up. I think I might get up to like 160, 64, 67, 69 or so kilowatt. I think I might get up to that. So maybe not. Let's see. I'll be back with another update if anything comes up, if the charging speed increases again. So, but if not, I think that would be it. But I believe I will get. Let me see here. I believe the last time I used the charging station, I was able to get up to that. So let's see here. The last one I did last week. Well, actually, that was on Saturday when I went to. So let's see. So I was only able to get 133 kilowatt. Let me see here. Here's the phone. So the highest charging speed was 133. So I thought it was able to get up to 160, but it looks like this one was going up a little bit. All right, I'll be back if the charging speed increases again. All right, welcome back. So right now the charging speed start dropping down once it reached a peak of 138 kilowatts. So right now it has dropped down to from 132 to now 119, and it's dropping down. And since it's almost reaching 80% state of charge. So yeah. And I have 10 minutes left, 2 minutes to 80% and 10 minutes. So the 8 minutes difference between the next 10%. So right now it's dropping down, and So between 111, 110 now. So let's see what's gonna happen when it reaches 80%, whether it's gonna drop a little bit lower than that. So I'm waiting for that to update. All right, come on. Okay, so now it has reached 80%, and 8 minutes to go to reach 90%. I don't think I'm going to, I just want to see whether it's going to drop. I mean, it will drop a little bit lower, but let's see how low it will drop. Before, yep, it's dropping down now. Probably going to drop up to like 5 kilowatt. And then go back up again. All right, still keeping at 97, 96 kilowatt at 81%. So it's still going. Right now I already had at least about 23 minutes into the charging session. So let's go ahead and all right, it is dropping down. It is dropping down. So let me go ahead and unplug, and I'll be right back. All right, let me go ahead and hit stop at 83%, 40, and I add 40.9950 kilowatt hour, 23 minutes charging session. So let me go ahead and unplug. Oops, this cable's heavy. All right, this is the final, and I'm about to go. All right, and that's it for the charging session at this Electrify America charging station, which is 350 kilowatt on all the 4 charging charging stall. I believe that's what they're doing now, installing all the station to be 350 kilowatt, which is good for vehicle on EV6 or EGMP owners like me that would love to utilize the 800 volt architecture on the vehicle. So so I hope that's what they're gonna be doing as from now on, so that people with 800 volt vehicles will be able to charge their vehicle a little bit faster. So, but thank you for watching. If this is your first time viewing the channel, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my road trip videos, and check out my other videos. Check out the let's see here. I don't think I'll be able to get it, but that's okay. All right, so check out my videos, and subscribe to and follow my other social media pages as well. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.